Hi fellow mates, this is Coach RJ once again. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today my video presentation is regarding the quick or the easiest way of how to operate the ballast water treatment system we have on board. Okay, now presently we are here in Izmir, Turkey, discharging operations. And during discharging operations, it is a normal practice, fellow mates, and you know that we uptake ballast water in this port. And to follow the regulations of ballast water management system, and if the vessel is equipped with ballast treatment system, and deck officers must or should know the operations, how to operate and what is the procedures in order to comply the requirements. All right, now I will show you our ballast treatment system, and it is very user friendly and easy to follow. Okay, stand by. Right, fellow mates, as you can see, we are in discharging operation in progress, and I am now taking up ballast on board, okay, through ballast water treatment system. This is our ballast water management system remote control box, and the brand or type of the equipment is Ballast, okay, Ballast. All right, now we have very simple operations, and here in this vessel or a Ballast, our ballast water management system, this is the remote control box. You can see here that the functions we have: setting, record, right, alarm, and ballast, ADU or deballast. Okay, now you have only two options here. Like if you are going to deballast, and you can find this display. Okay, now it's clear. All right, now if deballast, of course you need to set up all the required valves for the operations. Now because I am in ballasting, I have to proceed to ballast, and then you can find here in the display the functions or the details that you need for monitoring. But anyway, this is not all your task to monitor. Your job is the operations. Okay, the engineers will do their part in the engine department. Now prior we start the ballast pump, we need to set up here. As you can see here, Ballast is stopping, but we need to start the blower mode first by pressing this start button here. This is digital, and this is like touch screen. All right, you touch or you start, and there is a main mark or like a pop-up message here that ADU ready for ballasting starting. Okay, All right, so the engineers line up already the valves for the treatment system, and we will proceed to the ballast pump. Okay, now let's proceed to the control. All right, the control of the ballast valves, the lineup. So here, okay, there are port and starboard ballast tanks, and we have here the lines and valves to open before you start the ballast pump. So in this ballast or backflow system, we use only one pump, okay, for ballasting. So it will take time because it's only one pump, okay, if you pass the water through the treatment system. So I am using the port side pump, which is pump number 2, and made a line up. So from suction, okay, then passing this, see we have markings to pump in. You open ballast valve 26, passing through the pump, okay, and you open this ballast valve 28. As you can see, this one is a main line, okay, ballast line, and I need to open the interconnections in order the water can pass to the starboard side, so I can balance all together to put ballast port and starboard tanks at the same time to avoid big leaks of the vessel. So once you line up filaments, okay, open, and of course you open the target tanks that you have to fill in. Okay, now once it is ready, okay, you can start the ballast pump number 2. So I will start, okay. All right, start now. You can also check here the pressure, delivery pressure, and the suction pressure, just for monitoring if it is in good order. Okay, so just like that. Okay, we have also some markings just to monitor if it is in good order. There's no problem with the delivery and the suction pressures. And if there is an issue you found, you can call immediately to the engine department for investigations and so forth. All right, now let's check on the ballast treatment monitoring. So you can see here, EDU is running in auto mode when ballasting. Okay, now see the monitor how it works. Nothing to touch or change, just monitor, and if there is an alarm, it will give signal or warning, and you just acknowledge. Okay, alarm, there's a lot of alarm here, you just acknowledge if there's an alarm and acknowledge, and you have to return, like for example like this, acknowledge, and then you have to back, and then it will become or turn into normal operations. Okay, so that's it, fellow mates. Just the operation is just like that. Okay, thank you for watching. I do hope that you find interest and do your best to study or be familiarized your ballast treatment system on board. Okay, so if you have any questions, assistance, just feel free to message me. Okay, my Facebook page, Captain Coach RJ, and of course this a YouTube channel. You can direct send a message and I will keep in touch with you. Okay, this is Coach RJ once again. Thank you. Bye.